Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 6 of this luxury apartment. Let's get started. So in the last video, we focused on this area. Now we're gonna work on this, and here we're gonna start off by adding a wall. So CS, let's add a wall right here, and then this wall, press escape again, and then click on the wall that we added. You can change it to this as a reference, and the dimension for this is 1320. After that, we're going to add a wall horizontal to this, and then this one, I'm going to click on this, and this will be referenced under the grid line right here. Click on it, and then it should be around 765. And then now we could just trim and extend, and then we're going to add another wall, still an interior wall, like that. And then let's just add the box like this. And then we're gonna worry about the dimensions once we created this. So select this wall. Now this wall should be around 1734. And then this is perfect. It's aligned to this wall. If you want to check, you can AL and then here, and it's aligned. For the depth of this, select this wall and then select this dimension. You want to put 2060, and then there you go. And then here, CS, and then add a wall right in the middle right here. This wall, we need to extend it later on, but here we're going to push this back around here, similar to here, so that we have some space for the entrance. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select the wall CS and then add it here. And then what we're gonna do is type in SL split element. Press escape and then escape. And then here we're going to type in TR. So trim and extend, and trim and extend there. Press escape and then escape again. Select this wall. This should be around 420. So we have a nook there for the entrance. And then select the wall again, CS. We're going to add a wall right around here. And then select that wall. It needs to be referenced on this. So select this, and then it should be around 1848. And then now we should TR, trim and extend. And then we could just add an extra 500 right here. So I'm just estimating it around 500. If you want to be exact, you could check on that. So that's 700, so a little bit like that. Around 700 probably is good enough. So let's put it back like that. because this will be the kitchen area. This is a den, so we're gonna put a pocket door. This will be the laundry. So now let's add in some doors so that we can visualize where everything is. So here I'm gonna add in the door right here, another door, spacebar to change the orientation. Here as well, add the door right here. Let's add in a pocket door, CS, all the way right here. So for the den, and then we have the laundry right here. And then we could add a door as well, same door, CS, and put it right there. So here we could add in the toilet, and then we could add, so select this CS and add in, so spacebar, I want it to be focused on this, and then just move it like that. This space here, we could use this as plumbing area, so it needs to be having some plumbing there, so spacing should be included there. And then after that, add in the vanity. We could add 2, and then here we could just move it somewhere here, so we have a proper spacing. That should be good. And then we could extend or add in something like that. So just click on this one. I mistakenly pressed something that reveals that. And then let's add in a closet right here. So for the closet, we're gonna add in the sliding door, same as here. And we could add in the bed, CS. We could move this one right about here for the bed. This would be living room, and then this will be kitchen. Let's add in the fridge, CS. And let's put it in the corner. So the estimate of the wall here is a bit perfect. So something like that will be good enough. And then let's add in the range. And this will be an L-shaped kitchen, CS. Let's add it right here. And then add this one somewhere right here. And then we just need to add some detailed lines. So we could add it like that. I want it to be flush. So I'm just adding a bit like that there. And then for the cupboards, let's add the dash line. And let's add it at the top right here, all the way right there. And let's just move it just in the middle like that. I want to add some detailed lines onto the closet. So that's perfect. And then here we could flip this one backwards like this. And then we could add in some shelvings onto this side. So I'm just going to move this one all the way to the edge so I can just align it like that. And then I'm going to add some detail lines. CS. And then CS right here. And then another detailed line for the top right here. So I'm just double checking if we have everything. So that looks good. One thing I'm gonna do as well is to add the same layout onto this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select everything like this. And as you can see, it highlight everything. I'm just gonna select this wall. I'm gonna hold shift and then select this wall because I want to unselect that. And then this wall as well. And then this wall. Those are the ones that we don't need to add on this side. Now I'm gonna go click on copy and then copy it from the corner. You need to uncheck constraint because when we have it checked, you cannot push it onto the side. So uncheck that and then you'll be able to handle it anywhere else. Now by just selecting on the corner and then here SL. So we need to split that TR onto that corner and then this corner. And now we have exactly the same layout on this side. So that's perfect. We can then continue to another suite. So let's zoom in here and let's add in the same wall. So I'm gonna add a wall right about here and then click it on the grid line C7 and then over it 200 and then close it off. So just over it 200, maybe around 240 should be much better. 240. And then at the same time, let's add this wall right here. And then another wall right here. Those distance, so I'm gonna select this. This would be the grid line reference. So I'm gonna click on here and this will be 3350. So that's perfect right there. And then I want to select this and I want to reference it to this grid line. And this one should be 2263. So that's perfect right there. And then here, we're going to add in the same wall and then just aligning it right here. CS, another wall right about here. So I want to double check if we align it properly. So I use AL and then AL here. So now it's perfectly aligned. And then here, I want this to be, so select this one. From this wall or to this grid line, I want this one to be 1569. And then I want to have a wall around here. And then this one should be, let's add this as a reference. So it should be 1123. And then for this, we should just push it upwards like this. This is where we're gonna put the tub. So we could just um, check it later if it's over or short. Here, I'm gonna type in SL and then trim this one. So now we have this kind of wall system like that. And at the same time, we're going to add in another wall, CS, and then this wall, I want to connect it onto this wall, and then this should be around 1421. And then CS, I want it to be pushed back a little bit. So I'm going to add a wall right here. TR, trim and extend. And then this wall should be around 1954. And then here, I want to add the same wall, same similar wall type, and then the same distance as well from this wall. So the distance between this wall should be, I want this one to be reference onto this wall. So let me move this. So that's perfect. This one should be 1385. And then here, I'm just gonna extend this one around 700, like that. And then SL, and then TR. And then here, CS, we're going to add a wall right here. And that wall will be around, reference on this wall should be 1493. So now we have some space. So I want to add a pocket door. Let's try and add a pocket door right here. So instead of pocket door, I'm just gonna add in a sliding door. So that's perfect right here. And then let's add in the pocket door onto this spot. And then just move this one a bit like that. So we have a den or the laundry right here. This is a walk-in closet or just a closet. So CS, and then let's add in a line. Okay. And then let's add in the laundry right here. And then add some shelvings as well. And then some detailed lines so that it looks proper. Let's move this one to the corner and V. So that's perfect right there. So now what we could do is add in the doors. So the main door would be looking like this. And then we have a door right here for the bedroom, another door for the bedroom, and then here's the washroom. And then we could add in a sliding door for this spot. Let's add in the same lines. I could just copy that. And then we could just stretch it out. And then here, let's add in so AL. Let's put this one onto this spot. And then here we could just extend this like I said earlier. So that's perfect there. Let's add in some toilet. This one facing like that. And then some vanity. Okay. CS. And then let's add in some detailed lines for the top. And then here, let's add in the fridge, which will be located on here. And then let's add in the stove right about here. And then the sink would be right here. I think this is perfect. And then here for the dishwash. And then let's add in some detail lines. I'm going to align this. And then detail lines again. CS. Perfect. And then some another detail line, the broken lines. And then here for the cupboards. So that looks good. We could use this bed as well. And then add that bed right there. That's good enough space. And then here we could just CS this and then add this bed. It's good enough size bed for this area. We could put this one like this, so depending on them, it's a good size. So now we're finished here. We're gonna continue on the next video. So thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.